Did you know that if you don't access your lectures, you won't be able to access your statement of results? In UCC, if you don't access your lectures, you won't be able to have access to your statement of results. Hence, when the results are released, you won't be able to access or see any of them till you access your lectures. This video, I'll take you through step by step how you can access them and also have access to your statement of results. So first, let's log into our portal and start the process. After logging into your portal, just below the MTN data bundle and also above the registration, you see we have access lectures instead of statement of results. This statement of results isn't gonna go away till you access all your lectures for the various courses that you took for that particular semester. So we'll click on access lectures and you click on take the survey. You see on the left side we have list of courses that individual took for that particular semester. You access them one after the other for all the courses you did for that particular semester, and right after that you click on submit. For the sake of this video, I'll wrap up by forwarding some parts and show you the ending. This survey is used to better teaching and learning with respect to the lecturer. So whatever you are feeling, you should be sincere, as the lecturer won't have access to whoever submitted these details but the management themselves. When you get to the comment section, you're supposed to input the lecturer's weaknesses, their strengths, and also any other suggestions that you have. After submitting the last one, what is left for you to verify if you've done all the survey? So you can go back and come back in there by clicking on take survey again to see if there's any left and your progress have been saved. After noticing the progress have been saved by the system, you can refresh the page and you see that we no longer have the access lectures but statement of results. This is how you can access your lectures and have access to your statement of results. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe.